Alright, today is Trigger Pull Thursday, and we have a Yugo. This is a Yugo SKS. I would say it's slightly modified. I took the wood stock off and put on this plastic side folder. I like it a lot better. It's probably about 2 pounds lighter. And I also modified it slightly to accept Tapco 25 round magazines instead of having to push them through the top. And let's see what the trigger pull on this is. Okay, safety is on. There's nothing in the magazine. There's no magazine in. There's no rounds in the chamber. Safety off. I think I bought this rifle approximately 20 years ago. Shot it quite a few times. And I paid around, it was just about $100. Alright, let's do a trigger pull on this. I know it's a little heavy. So there you can see it's 8 pounds, 1.5 ounces. Let's do one more. I can get this bolt back. So that is 7 pounds, 4.5 ounces. And that's enough for the Yugo SKS on this Trigger Pull Thursday. And I think I'm going to do some work on the trigger pull on this one. And that deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.